Once someone knows your password, they can steal your identity or access all of your personal information. Let's learn what makes a good password and how to use them securely. There are 2 key points to good passwords. First, you want passwords that are hard to guess. This means do not use simple passwords such as 123456, your pet's name, or your birth date. Second, use passwords that are easy to remember. If you keep forgetting your passwords, they are not very helpful. The problem is cybercriminals have developed sophisticated programs that can guess or brute force your passwords, and they are constantly getting better at it. This means they can break into your accounts if your passwords are not strong enough. To protect yourself, you want your password to be as long as possible. The longer your password is, the stronger it is. In fact, instead of using just a single word as your password, use multiple words. This is called a passphrase. For example, your passphrase could be something simple like, "Time for chocolate." To make your passphrase even more secure, do the following. Use a number in your passphrase. Have at least one lowercase and one uppercase letter in your passphrase. Use a symbol in your passphrase. Let's take our passphrase and make it even more secure by replacing some of the letters with numbers and symbols, as we just discussed. First, notice how at least one of the words starts with a capital letter. Then we can replace letters with numbers or symbols. For example, you can replace the letter A with the @ symbol, or replace the letter O with the number 0. In addition, we can add symbols using common punctuation such as spaces, a question mark, or an exclamation point. As a result, we now have a strong password that is very difficult for cybercriminals to compromise, yet is simple to remember and easy to type. In addition to strong passwords, you must protect how you use them. Be sure to use different passwords for different accounts. For example, never use the passwords for your work or bank accounts for your personal accounts such as Facebook, YouTube, or Twitter. This way, if one of your passwords is hacked, the other accounts are still safe. If you have too many passwords to remember, consider using a password manager. This is a special program you run on your computer that securely stores all your passwords for you. The only passwords you need to remember are the ones to your computer and the Password Manager program. Check with your supervisor, the help desk, or the information security team to see if a password manager is an option you can use. Never share your password with anyone else, including fellow employees. Remember, your password is a secret. If anyone else knows your password, it is no longer secure. Do not use public computers, such as those at hotels or libraries, to log into a work or bank account. Since anyone can use these computers, they may be infected with malicious code that captures all your keystrokes. Only log in to your work or bank accounts on trusted computers or mobile devices you control. If you accidentally share your password with someone else or believe your password may have been compromised or stolen, be sure to change it immediately. Be careful of websites that require you to answer personal questions. These questions are used if you forget your password and need to reset it. The problem is, the answers to these questions can often be found on the internet or even your Facebook page. Make sure that if you answer personal questions, you use only information that is not publicly known. Many online accounts offer something called two-factor authentication or two-step verification. This is where you need more than just your password to log in, such as codes sent to your smartphone. When possible, always use these stronger methods for authentication. Finally, if you are no longer using an account, be sure to disable or delete it.